Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today I'll be once again making a paper applet. Now, last time I taught you the tricks of modification and other sorts of things, but today not only will I be teaching you decoration, but I will also be teaching you remeasurement. Now, as you can see, this is a full-size A4. You don't want a full-size A4. That's way too big. What you're going to want to do is cut it in half. Now, as veterans might know, a piece of A4 paper is 29.7 centimeters along the longer side. So you're going to want to check that, get a drawing utensil of some form, and mark right along the middle. Once you've done that, you can either use scissors, or, as a proper user will know, you can just fold it into a perfect cut shape. Get the perfect point, match them up, just as if you were doing a perfect fold in half, but the other way around, obviously. Now, if it's not a straight line, then it'll be uneven. You don't want that. So, once you've done that, crease along this line as hard as possible with a ruler or nail, preferably both. Repeat with the other side. Now you may have to do this a few times, but once you have, then you'll see the clear mark, and you can just tear along it easily. Now this piece is useless, you can get rid of it. Now this is the part where the fun begins. You'll have to get out your decorating utensils, so pause the video and get those. Now, once you've done that, you'll next want to start up on your decoration. Now, the first thing to note is that on one side, you'll be seeing practically none of the decorations in the final model. I have a template that I can remember in my mind, and I know that the only real part you'll be able to see is around here and here on the inside. On the outside you'll be able to see everything aside from the very tips. Remember that when you're decorating. So you want to draw a couple of things, just anything you want really. It doesn't matter, you just have to be good at art. I'm just kidding. But you do want to be good at art, or otherwise it'll just look stupid, and everyone will be saying like, what the hell is that? That looks nothing like anything you've ever done before. Now make sure to get decorations on both sides, maybe some words, but think about words because they might get distorted or such and such. Draw your favourite objects or, some other things that interest you. Now, don't forget to use up as much space as possible. Symmetrical designs are nice, but always know that a little abstract art never hurt anyone. Now, as you can see here, I'm drawing a paper plane, a little bit of recursion. Pretty comedic. Now, once you've done that, everyone knows these steps, but I will teach you again, just in case anyone's skipping straight to the design video. Now, you're going to want to make your nice, neat fold along the middle. Check for abnormalities, fix them. Now, one thing you'll notice is with a smaller model, it's much harder to get the precise details. See, I tried to fix that, and it already went straight back. It's also hard to see a straight line if you're using the tear method, which is a little quicker than getting out some scissors, but obviously less precise. Once you got it, go on the inside, maybe finish up your doodles because you won't have enough room to redo them later, and create your triangle folds. Nicely does it, nicely does it. Get them done nice and carefully, and here comes another important step: secret messages. Now, paper planes are useful tools, everyone knows that, but many do not know that at some point in history they were used to transfer messages. Since most of it cannot be seen, all of this will be unseeable once the plane is actually folded. But if unfolded, a message could be hidden within. Now, if thrown to a person who knows what to do with a paper airplane, then they will open it and be able to read the message. Once the message is in there, just make your folds. A good one there. A nice one here. And you're done. Everyone knows the next few steps. Make sure to check for abnormalities. Once again, much harder to make it easy with this size. And one thing you might also notice is that you're not is that even though you tried your best with the measurement, it's not actually the right size. So the paper airplane might be uneven no matter what you try to do. Now, the only thing you can do about this is sit in the corner and cry, or get good at measuring. I have obviously done both. Now, once it's nice and straight and even and not gay, you'll want to finish off with the wings. See, everyone knows this step if they have seen my previous video, which they should watch. Annotation just appeared on screen. If you haven't watched it, click it, but you're kind of far into this video, so finish it, because I don't want my watch time to get screwed over. Which one of you watched 1 minute of my previous video? Shame on you. It was a good ass video. Now, straighten up those wings. Looking nice, looking nice. Now, as you can see, the messages on the other side are mostly here on the back, so you can not see them as well. Here's my paper plane, slightly folded over. And once you've done that, then you're ready to throw it and have someone else open the message. Let's try it out. Alright, time for the flight. 3, 2, 1.